Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to meet a new sound. But before that, let's quickly do recap of speech sounds. Alright? So my turn, your turn. S, s, t, t, z, z, b, b, v, 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 r, r. And here comes a new sound. Nk, nk, nk. Your turn. Nk. And you know what? This is a special friend. Yes, and special friend are always underlined. And you know what? Who will tell me why do we call it special friend? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, absolutely right. Because these two sounds make one sound. N and k. N and k. Together one sound. Nk. Nk. Super. So let's see the objects with the sound nk. Right? Skunk. Skunk. Honk. Honk. Pink. Pink. Bank. Bank. Ink. Your turn. Ink. Drink. Drink. Superb. And now we are going to trace nk in the air. So show me your imaginary pencil up in the air. Wonderful. So curl. Everyone, let's write it all together. Down Nobby and over his net. And for k. Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. Yes? And now let's trace nk. So everyone, show me your notebook. Show me your plain sheet and a pencil. And let's write it all together. Down Nobby and over his net. And for k. Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. And special friend are always underlined. Yes? Super. And now we are going to write on the lines. So I'm ready with my sun line, boat line and water line. So let's write it all together. So we are going to start with the boat line, down Nobby and over his net. And for k. We are going to start from the sun line and come down, touch the boat line. Yes? Like this. Down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. And special friend are always underlined. Yes? Do you all remember? Super. Wonderful. And now it's time to do, yes, Fred talk. And Fred can only speak in sounds. And you are going to tell me the whole word. So, the first word is t, I, t, I, think, think, think. Okay, let's see the next word. L, I, l, I, link. Your turn. Link. Next word is sink. 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 And the last word, sink.